Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into Snap Finance app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The app Finance is useful if you need fast approval for shopping or unexpected expenses, especially when your credit isn't strong. It gives you quick access to financing at partner stores, lets you track payment easily and keep everything organized so you always know what you owe. For people who need a short-term boost to cover a big purchase, it's convenient and it's definitely a plus for them. But the downside is the cost. Snap Finance can get expensive if you don't pay it off quickly, and many users say feel stuck up fast once you move past the early payoff period. And it also doesn't help you build your credit, and some shoppers report confusing times when it comes to payment. So in my opinion, I actually think the app is only worth using if you can pay it off very fast. Otherwise, the high cost make it risky option for you as a person when you purchase stuff using the platform. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.